So, welcome to all. We are going to start from this thought of the day. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep going. So, today I told you that we are going to continue the topic which we were doing, family history. But you know that there on the next page, page number 19, it comes the grammar topic, which is not in so much detail, but I have prepared for you in detail. Okay, so first of all, we are going to learn about writing skills. Okay, what are the writing skills? We need to see that why we need it, how we have to use it, and what are the purpose of this. All right, I hope you are sitting attentively because this is very important. First of all, see, this one is a tree made of like this one. This is connected with each one of the point. First one is the purpose of writing. Then is again the process of writing. All right, can you see that? The purpose of writing, then the process of writing, then analysis of writing skills, types of composition, and how to improve writing skills. All right, these are the main points. So, first of all, obviously, we need to have a purpose that why we are writing, for what we are writing. So we need to have the purpose. Then second is the process of writing. Process of writing, that how we are going to write, what is the procedure, what is the process. The analysis of writing skills is very important, that how we are going to analysis that analyze and all that, that how we are writing, what do we need, and what improvements we need also. Types of composition, this is also very important, that how and which material we are going to have. Okay, then how to improve writing skills. There are many ways to improve your writing skills. How you are going to improve, you have to read the material, you have to read the books, then you have to practice a lot. Okay, come to the next one, writing skills. Okay, I'm going to read for you. Writing skills are an important means of communication. In this section, you need to aim to think about your writing skills, including the grammar, spelling, and punctuation. You need to think about how to plan your writing and the importance of checking and editing your work before pressing, print, or send online. Okay, teacher, just for a second, can you please pause? Okay, I'm going to repeat it. Writing skills are an important means of communication. It means that writing skills are an important means of communication, means to communicate with the people, we need to learn some writing skills also. Okay, the next one is, in this section you need to aim. Aim means, you know, that you need to decide and you need to aim to think about your writing skills, including the grammar. First is grammar, second spelling, and then punctuation. You know, without punctuation you are not supposed to write anything. Where we need to get a pause, where we need to stop, where we need to put some things, where like your this one exclamation mark and expression and all that. And spelling are also very important. Whenever you are writing, you know that spelling, we are concentrating on the spelling always. Then grammar is very important aspect when you are writing. You know that when you are writing in the past, you cannot write in the present. So if you're writing in the present and you cannot write in the future, so you need to have this. Okay, then you need to think about how to plan your writing. First of all, in all the work, whenever you are doing some work, you need some plan. Without planning you cannot do anything. So first of all, you need to plan, and the importance of checking and editing your work before pressing print or send online. Likewise, I will give you some example that when we are giving you or when we are sending you something, we are again and again checking. Okay, then we are sending this work to you. So I hope this point is clear to you. Whenever I ask you this question, please show me your thumbs up so I can see. Okay. Come to the this one, how to improve your writing skills. First one, look at this very carefully. I have given you something, it is written there also, and I have pasted one picture also. So when we will send to you, just read it carefully. Okay. First is brush up on the basic principles of writing, grammar, and spelling. This I have told you already that we need to have three things, very important things, that is grammar and spelling, and then one you have to be particular about it that you need to brush up on this basic principles. Then the second point is write like it's your job and practice regularly. It's your job means that it is your job to write it. When you are doing some job, you are doing with the passion and all that, with the hard work also. So if you will think that this is my job, then you will do the perfect way and you will learn the ways of writing. Then what is this? And practice regularly. It doesn't mean that you know you are writing and then again you are skipping and all that. You need to be regular. Okay, my dear students, I'm not talking about the writing, neat writing and all that. I'm talking about writing skills. That in which forms we are going to write some essays, some paragraphs, some novels like this. I'm telling you. Then number third is read more so you develop an eye for what effective writing looks like. Okay, without reading you cannot write. If you are reading many books, like there are so many books are there, different topics, different writers, different authors, so then you are going to be a more efficient writer. Okay, expand your vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important. You know that we need to learn daily at least 5 words from the dictionary. If we are daily learning this, it means that we are learning so many words in a week. So then master English spelling. You need to learn English spelling by your heart, that whenever you are writing something, your spelling should be correct. As you know that when there are so many words, when we are in our daily life, we are using those, but we are not using in the correct way. We don't know the spelling. So basic thing is this, that you need to learn the spelling. In English, it is very important. Okay, I'm particularly talking about English. Then read regularly. Reading is very important. You have to read anything which is your favorite, like books, newspaper, novels, dramas, storybooks, whatever you like, you need to read. Just do it means if you are thinking that I'll do tomorrow, just do it today. So when you will start writing, then you will get to know that it is a very interesting job. Now there are in the very short that how to improve your English writing skills. Okay, so contraction means what? Join words. Okay, so then come to the next one. What is the last one we were doing? I think. Avoid using unnecessary words in your sentence. Like any extra words and unnecessary, we don't need to write. We need to make it in a very short, or sometimes if we are using long essays also, then no need to write unnecessary words. Make use of strong verbs. Strong verbs are always very important. It will make your sentence, sound more appropriate. Okay, so it will make your sentence like this one, and you, when others will see, are going to see, it will have a good impact. Okay, next is types of writing. Types of writing, how many types are there? There are four types of writing. You can just see it when there is important things, you can note it down in your note copies also. While we are sending you the PPT also, but you can take your notebooks and your pencils with you and you are going to write these also. Types of writing. Okay, come to this one. We can see expository, persuasive, descriptive, and narrative. These are the four types. I I think that time is not enough, so we cannot have the explanation of these because I have done the explanation for you also. So till here we are going to write, just have the look, quick review of this one. So teacher, till this we are going to do today. Tomorrow we can continue other one. So we are going to continue this writing skills. I told you that writing skills are what? The purpose of writing, the process of writing, analysis of writing skill, types of composition, and how to improve writing skills. Alright? So I hope it's clear to you. Then come to the next one, writing skills. What are the writing skills? Can you please tell me in your chat box? You can write your answers. Okay, what do you think and what is the idea comes into your mind when I say writing skills? Okay, writing skills are an important means of communication. In this section, you need to aim to think about your writing skills, including the grammar, spelling, and punctuation. You need to think about how to plan your writing and the importance of checking and editing your work before pressing print or send online. This point I explained you, it is very clear when you are having and when you are supposed to write something, you need these things to be in your mind. Then there was the point how to improve your writing. Then I told you that how you can improve your writing, you can brush up on your skills. What are these? Writing, grammar, the principles of writing, and then grammar, then spelling. You have to practice regularly. Then you have to read the books or whatever material is there for you, you can have that one. And the very important thing, then you have to do it. You are not supposed to wait, you have to do it. When you have decided, then there is, I have told you that what how to improve your English writing skills to avoid something. I told you. Then last is types of writing. All right, four types are there. All right, so till here we are doing this. Tomorrow we are going to continue our lesson with the explanation. Okay, so my dear students,